Charge your phone, baby.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another video, and today I'm about to get my hair installed. So hey.
Come on.
So I'm about to record it for y'all and everything like that. So y'all just stay tuned. Y'all, so this hair was this hair is Peruvian brown. It was Peruvian, well, it's still Peruvian. It's Peruvian 28 inch, and this is how long it is. It's really long, as you can see. It goes all the way down to my butt and the top of my butt, and I didn't really want it to do, like, I wanted to dye it, so I had somebody dye it for me. And she did a really good job. As you can see, it's like rainbow, it's different colors. It's like pink, purple, red, blue, and you know, it's really pretty. And it's green, all that other stuff. And it's 28 inches, and it's straight. It's really pretty, it's flowy and nice. And I'm gonna take y'all through the process of like me getting it done and all that other good stuff. So it was really fun. I really liked these colors. It was really pretty. I had a good time with it. I was like feeling myself, you know what I'm saying? Like, baby, I pulled this off. It was brown before, and it didn't look good. Like, these colors pretty. But, you know, it really makes me look real good. Like, this hair makes me look real cute. And yeah, so y'all, this is how it looks before. I look like trash. I'm excited because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's beautiful, like a rainbow. It's so long. I'm excited. I'm gonna be looking cute. So yeah, we're about to get started.
Game over. Oh, that was your man, sis. It's Steph T on the beat. Fine little chick acting up like a nigga do. All my girls bad like the weekend say they love the crew. And all my niggas love me. Yeah, they really do. Teach a main nigga like my side nigga, that's the truth. Same group of girls, they got time for new hoes. Made them sick off the heat, got them wiping they nose. Surprised that Steph T, he ain't know I have flow. LG I represent, so you know how it go. Look, all these niggas tryna get at me. They wanna talk to me, love me, and touch on me. Try to treat me like another hoe. Don't get excited, baby, can't trick me out my clothes. Little nigga, act up, you could get smacked up. Act up, you could get whacked up. Act up, you could get smashed up. Finna graduate, bout to back this thing up. Go in. Act up, you can get slapped up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you need to get your facts up. Lurking on my page, baby girl, you need a backup. It's Emily and you know what it do. Got these girls say they hate cause I'm sick like the flu. All these girls follow me like they following rule. All these stocks talk that mess like I won't take they do. They look me in my eyes, they tripping no lie. 2 A's in my ear but the flow so hot. You don't want no smoke, copy that, copy this. I'm on Instagram screaming, go rich. RBT, you know we about to act up. Talking on my name, but you need to get your stacks up. She looking at my wrist, she looking at 1,000. Rich boy Troy, know a public house saying period. She called my phone, I ain't hearing that. Ain't talked to her all day, now she acting serious. Ballin', I could put diamonds in my cereal. Buy my first car and I'ma do the Fast and Furious. I'm a real one, I'm here for the loot. I see you tryna hate and I see you tryna shoot. About to put my mama in a coupe. I'm rapping so hard that my chain coming loose. Drip like, ooh, I been shopping at Fendi. Salt bay my food, you be eating at Denny's. Hop out the lamb, she know I'm the man. You need to get your girl, she acting like a fan. Hop out the lamb, she know I'm the man. You need to get your girl, she acting like a fan.
Mario. Game over. Game over.
Oh, that was your man, sis. It's Steph T on the beat. Fine little chick acting up like a nigga do. All my girls bad like the weekend say they love the crew. And all my niggas love me. Yeah, they really do. Teach a main nigga like my side nigga, that's the truth. Same group of girls, they got time for new hoes. Made them sick off this heat, got them wiping they nose. Surprised that Steph T, he ain't know I have flow. LG I represent so you know how it go. Look, all these niggas tryna get at me. They wanna talk to me, love me, and touch on me. Try to treat me like another hoe. Don't get excited, baby, can't trick me out my clothes, little nigga. Act up, you could get smacked up. Act up, you could get whacked up. Act up, you could get smashed up. Finna graduate, bout to back this thing up, go in. Act up, you can get slapped up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you need to get your facts up. Lurking on my page, baby girl, you need a backup. It's Emily and you know what it do. Got these girls say they hate cause I'm sick like the flu. All these girls follow me like they following rule. All these stocks talk that mess like I won't take they do. They look me in my eyes, they tripping no lie. 2 A's in my ear but the flow so hot. You don't want no smoke, copy that, copy this. I'm on Instagram screaming, go rich. RBT, you know we about to act up. Talking on my name, but you need to get your stacks up. She looking at my wrist, she looking at 1,000. Rich boy Troy, know a public house saying period. She called my phone, I ain't hearing that. Ain't talked to her all day, now she acting serious. Ballin', I could put diamonds in my cereal. Buy my first car and I'ma do the Fast and Furious. I'm a real one, I'm here for the loot. I see you tryna hate and I see you tryna shoot. About to put my mama in a coupe. I'm rapping so hard that my chain coming loose. Drip like, ooh, I been shopping at Fendi. Salt bay my food, you be eating at Denny's. Hop out the lamb, she know I'm the man. You need to get your girl, she acting like a fan. Hop out the lamb, she know I'm the man. You need to get your girl, she acting like a fan.
Mario. Game over. Game over.
Oh, that was your man, sis. It's Steph T on the beat. Fine little chick acting up like a nigga do. All my girls bad like the weekend say they love the crew. And all my niggas love me. Yeah, they really do. Teach a main nigga like my side nigga, that's the truth. Same group of girls, they got time for new hoes. Made them sick off this heat, got them wiping they nose. Surprised that Steph T, he ain't know I have flow. LG I represent so you know how it go. Look, all these niggas tryna get at me. They wanna talk to me, love me, and touch on me. Try to treat me like another hoe. Don't get excited, baby, can't trick me out my clothes, little nigga. Act up, you could get smacked up. Act up, you could get whacked up. Act up, you could get smashed up. Finna graduate, bout to back this thing up, go in. Act up, you can get slapped up. Act up, you can get smashed up. Act up, you need to get your facts up. Lurking on my page, baby girl, you need a backup. It's Emily and you know what it do. Got these girls say they hate cause I'm sick like the flu. All these girls follow me like they following rule. All these stocks talk that mess like I won't take they do. They look me in my eyes, they tripping no lie. 2 A's in my ear but the flow so hot. You don't want no smoke, copy that, copy this. I'm on Instagram screaming, go rich. RBT, you know we about to act up. Talking on my name, but you need to get your stacks up. She looking at my.
Hey guys, so this is how the hair looks, and I just put it in this little hairstyle, and it's really cute, and I love the color of this hair, like it's so pretty, and your girl looking cute, your girl looking like a baddie, she looking like a and my nails be kind of cute, you know. They alright. But I really love this hairstyle, like so pretty. And the hair is so like flowy and stuff, and it moves a lot. Like I I really love this hair. This is like my first color frontal, and I really love how it turned out. The colors are so pretty and like vibrant and stuff, and the neon green right there is just like giving me life. But yeah, I really like this hair. And make sure y'all go buy this hair, because like this hair is so pretty. You can dye it and stuff. And look, they got blue in there, purple, pink, red, green. Y'all already know. So I really like it. And it's really long. I think it's 30 inches because it's like past my butt. Like you can see. And it's a different look. Like I really like it. Like it's so cute. My lips look cute. But yeah, y'all make sure y'all go buy this hair from Sunber Hair. You can rub your fingers through the hair and stuff. And it's just really pretty. Don't hate me 'cause I'm beautiful. Wow. Ooh. All my ladies do the pretty girl walk. Do the pretty girl walk. But y'all make sure y'all go get this hair. I'm in love with it. Bye.